Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Samsung's Big Unpacked 2019 event in New York is over, and the tech giant had a lot to say in its 2-hour-long presentation. Apart from the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, Samsung also showcased the Galaxy Tab S6, Galaxy Watch Active 2 and Galaxy Book S. While the Galaxy Tab S6 is aimed at the iPad Pro, the Galaxy Book S is an always connected laptop with 23 hours of battery life. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 gets the ECG feature, just like the Apple Watch Series 4. We take a closer look at the new devices. Let's start with the Galaxy Tab S6. This is a brand new high-end Android tablet that offers a number of productivity features. The Tab S6 has a 10.5-inch AMOLED display, and the whole thing is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Thread processor. There are options for 6 or 8 GB RAM and 128 or 56 GB storage with support for microSD card slot as well as an LTE option. A new feature is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner in the display for unlocking, just like Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Plus, the tablet has Dolby Atmos and AKG-tuned quad speakers for immersive sound. Samsung says you will get 15 hours of video playback from the 7040 mAh battery. There are big changes to the S Pen on the Tab S6, including new gestures called S Pen Air Actions, thanks to its Bluetooth connection to the tablet. The S Pen now works with Samsung Notes to convert handwriting into text automatically. There is also support from Samsung DeX. The Tab S6 will cost $649 in the US, and the device is going to be available in late August. The keyboard cover will sold separately. Next up is the Galaxy Watch Active 2, a competitor to Apple Watch Series 4. Samsung has announced a new Galaxy Watch Active 2 barely 6 months after the original Galaxy Watch Active was introduced early this year. Although it looks quite similar, the new Watch Active 2 brings back the rotating bezel which is missing on the Watch Active. Instead of a physical rotating bezel, the new watch has a virtual touch interface which you can interact by sliding your fingers on the edges of the screen. The new Watch Active 2 is offered in two sizes, 44mm and 40mm, and two different styles. For the 44mm model, it features a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display, while the 40mm version gets smaller 1.2-inch screen. The Watch Active 2 is a fitness-oriented smartwatch, and it can track more than 39 workouts, and 7 of them can be activated automatically. There's an updated running coach that helps to monitor and motivate you to achieve your goals. The new wearable also features ECG sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope and barometer. At the moment, the ECG feature isn't activated and it has to go through certification and approval before it is enabled. The watch is also water and dust resistant with IP68 and 5 ATM rating. The Watch Active 2 also comes with Wi-Fi, NFC, and there's also an LTE version which will be released in selected markets. Samsung Pay is also supported but via NFC only. In terms of battery, the 44mm model gets 340 mAh battery capacity, while the smaller watch gets 247 mAh capacity. As usual, it is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The Watch Active 2 has been priced starting at $279. Samsung also introduced Galaxy Book S, which is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8CX processor. The Galaxy Book S is a Windows 10 laptop that is always connected to the internet. The company claims the device will get up to 23 hours of battery life and that it will connect to gigabit LTE wireless networks on the go. Like other always connected laptops, the Galaxy Book S is always on and always connected with a touch to wake instant on feature. The laptop weighs just 0.96 kg and comes with a 13.3-inch touch display. Under the hood is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8CX processor designed for laptops. It's a 7nm system on a chip that is capable of 40% faster CPU and 80% faster GPU performance than what users saw in the previously released Galaxy Book 2. Other specs include 8GB of RAM, 256GB of SSD storage, sound by AKG stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, 1 microSD card slot, 720p front-facing camera, a USB-C port and Windows Hello sign-in via a fingerprint scanner. The Samsung Galaxy Book S costs $1,000 and it will be available in the US this fall. No word yet on India pricing or availability.